I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you enjoy the outdoors with your family, especially if you have little ones or a pup, you're going to want to check out this tent from the California Beach Company. It is so beautiful and very practical. We love how portable this pop and go playpen is. It comes in a nice carrying bag that makes it easy to take anywhere. It's also extremely fast and easy to set up. In just a few seconds, you have an entire tent set up. All you have to do is take it out of the bag and pop it open. It's also very lightweight. Anyone can do it. It's also really well made. You can tell it's going to last a really long time, which I'm excited about. It comes with these poles to make it even sturdier. And our favorite feature is this topper. So you just wrap the Velcro around the poles and you have protection from the sun, which is really great, especially for the beach or for a sunny day. Another great thing for the beach is these anchors that it comes with. So they're really easy to put on. That way your tent won't blow away. It comes with the big plastic ones and also these metal ones. This portable play yard is a great option if you want to take your little one camping, to the park, or even the beach, because it'll protect them from harmful sun rays, protect them from bugs, and it has a really great airflow. It's also really easy not just to set up, but also to take down. So it just takes a few seconds and you can take it down and put it away and carry it back out. So if you're in the market for the perfect tent for your little one to be able to enjoy the beach, the park, or just your backyard and have them contained, definitely check out this tent from the California Beach Company. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.